Hello, Professor Yule. This is Justin Woodbury, here to present you the first half of my final scenario paper. So as you can see here is my introductory paragraph. As I was researching the two scenarios that you gave for Group 2, involving the distributing of beta blockers to a musician, to an athlete. My overall goal in this paper, as you can see in my thesis, right about here, I am emphasizing the importance of before distributing, before even recommending the performance enhancement, also known as the beta blockers, that the patient and also the person distributing that should be informed about the drug, be informed about the side effects and how it could affect someone's health. So my first body paragraph, again, is a summary of using the source from the readings on the website, on the course website, using from the College Music Symposium, and better emphasizing the symptoms of these beta blockers. As you can see, I also added in the International Journal of Science source, that warning that using these enhancers at a young age can raise additional issues with developing the brain, etc. So there are some risk at using these drugs, especially at a young age, so I wanted to emphasize that. Going into my second body paragraph, just generalizing with the collaboration of the marijuana industry and promoting the popular song to that, and maintaining a clean, healthy lifestyle. As I was doing this, I actually ran into one of my group members' sources on the usage, or on the effects of marijuana. See if I can find it in here. Yeah, so this one by Sifferlin, talking about how marijuana can actually contain these compounds called cannabinoids and can prescribe physical alignments with arthritis, and actually can help cancer symptoms as well as mental health issues like post-traumatic stress disorder, which I found very interesting. And so I have opposing arguments as to some of the benefits of supporting this industry, but also keeping in mind that to keep a clean, healthy reputation, and knowing that there are other alternatives of promoting a song to different organizations in order to get that income. So far, that is what I have right now for you, Professor. Let me know if there's anything else I need to add, anything I need to emphasize more. I look forward to your comments. And let me just scroll down real quick to show you my sources. This is what I have so far. That is it for now. Thank you so much, Professor.